Welcome to Tom's Cubes, and today unboxing the Gaminja ANS13. It's RK3326 chipset, and apparently it has Hall effect rockers. Well, I've had 6 of these arrive recently. I've got 3 black and 3 blue. This is one of the few ones with a dented box. The rest came in perfect condition boxes pretty much. So I'm going to keep this one with the less than stellar box. Right, this is 4-inch full fit OCA IPS screen for eco-minded people. We've got some nice cardboard instead of those horrible sort of plastic filler trays. We've got a standard USB-C charging cable, instruction manual. First impression, beautiful in the hand. This is truly one of the most comfortable consoles to hold with this great ergonomic design. At the moment, nothing in TF1, so everything's in TF2 on this machine as it comes. Volume, power even, power, reset. Right, before we start up, we've got a task to do first. Okay, I was just fiddling with the TF card and it missed the slot, or the slot gave way and it's just fallen into the interior of the machine. Actually, that doesn't matter because the card's just fallen out. Right, I've just been looking. The gap above the TF card slot within it, it's the same on both sides, such that you can literally see through it to the other side. So if I hold that just right, you can see the white and black of the MOU symbol. See that through the gap? Right, so I'm going to make a separate video showing cloning the card in detail. So I've put the screws back in, and I'm just going to be careful putting the card back in. So to help stop it slipping up over the top, I'm going to keep the machine the right way up and just be very careful. And I'll just test that spring. Yeah, it's caught on the spring, therefore it's in the slot. So I can push it in now with near confidence. And let's peel off the screen protector. Nice and shiny. Yeah, functional splash screen. absolutely lovely display. Just have a quick look at the system settings to see what the brightness level is. 100. Really nicely presented. Very nice. Just going to choose a random game. That's genuinely random. Try another random one. Yeah, this is very nice and comfortable. It's kind of an odd D-pad, but feels fine. The buttons are very, very nice feeling. They really are. Okay, we've got nice sound and graphics, we can see that. I've just not chosen a game I know. Right, this time I'll try something I know. And we can't expect too much for N64 performance with this RK3326 chipset. But it should be a good test of the analog. I might be tempted to adjust the aspect ratio actually. Menu and resume. Oh yeah, that looks great. well, 50 frames a second on an RK33 26 chipset. That is quite impressive. Okay, admittedly we get some glitching looking at the castle, but yeah, still pretty good for an RK33 chipset. Now let's test this rocker. Oh yeah, I mean it's very smooth. Yeah, I can. Oh yeah, I've zoomed off the fact that my thumb is on the analog stick. It's very consistent, just a small movement. Dead zone works fine. No matter what, yeah, the dead zone just flips back. Nice dead zone. Now, I'm not the kind of person who would necessarily just feel it and know, but I can believe that is a Hall effect stick. I don't believe it's just a false claim. I think that definitely seems a bit nicer than most consoles. Yeah, and there's no weird dead zoning. It's just a nice, clear. Oh, I'm pretty impressed with that. Yeah, so this ANS13 does seem like a nice machine. Let's choose a random game. Right, so back to D-pad. I'm just going to turn down the background lighting. Like Game Boy Color just looks great. I don't think I've ever played this game. Okay, this D-pad seems... What's that? What was that? Okay, yeah, this D-pad seems absolutely fine. Oh yeah, I mean, that's very responsive. Right, I think that's enough to see that Game Boy Color is fantastic. Let's try some GBA. Let's try like a random game. Everything seems to have thumbnails. This is a very good value 4-inch screen console, and it's very comfortable in the hand. Okay, so this was GBA. I mean, that looks great, but we could change the aspect ratio if we wished. That looks pretty good, even with wildly off aspect ratio. This is 1:1, and GBA is 3:2. But like I said, let's just have a quick look. Right, so that's looking pretty nice. That's very impressive. It's a very good contrast, deep black for the leather boxing. .60 FPS for GBA. I think this machine's proved itself a fantastic RK3326 device. Right, I don't want this video to go on forever. That was a very impressive experience unboxing this one. Just beware your TF cards dropping into the machine if you're not careful putting it in. That's the one drawback. Now, excuse me, some of these machines have power off with the power button. If not, as per most machines, I'll need to use a menu. Let's just see if it does that. Yep. I can just hold that power button in to have a shutdown. Very impressed with that. So that's the Gaminja ANS13. Super comfortable. One of the most impressive performing RK3326 chipset machines I've come across. I think they've done themselves proud there with overall, and for me that dodgy TF slot is neither here nor there. Now I know about it, I can just put it in carefully. If that bothers you, that's the only drawback I can think of. I like everything else, and it's very swish, very solid build. Great value for money. Right, well, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.